Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. It's the 10th episode of Opas Podcast already. So yeah, let me go and introduce our guest for today. He is part of Amplify Academy and he has a new hobby nowadays, which is smoking meat, and hopefully we can taste what he's cooking. Without further any ado, let's go and introduce the man. V to the N to the C to the H to the Y. Let's go and introduce Sir Vinci. Let's go. Let's
What's
go.
up?
Let's
What's
go.
up?
Welcome, Sir Vinci. Wow, may
What's
ano
up? What's up?
Oy, ang pogi daw ng guest, sabi ni Sir Marianismo.
Thank you for having me,
Yan.
Pao. Thank you for having me here.
No worries, no worries. Let's do your introduction. So introduce yourself, Sir Vinci. Let's go.
Okay, hi everyone. I'm Vinci, and I'm a variety streamer. So mainly I play FPS games and RPG games. So recently I've been very busy with work, so I don't have time to stream. But I'm doing some VODs, some smoking videos on my YouTube channel. So whenever I have time during the weekends, I learn how to smoke meat and cook.
May steak ka daw ba dyan? Sabi ni Dale.
May steak. Ano yan? Nasa ano lang? Nasa bag lang yung steak? Anytime pwedeng kunin? Ganun ba yun? Dale Marquez?
What's with the smoking all about ba, Sir Vinci? Ano yung nag-motivate sa'yo na, okay, gusto ko mag-smoke na meat?
Actually, last year, I was thinking of a new hobby and a new skill I want to learn. And since I love food, so na-deduct ko na siya. So gusto ko na matuto how to cook. I want to learn how to cook. And I've been a fan of smoked meats ever since. And I've seen a lot of videos. Hindi siya sobrang niya, complicated niya gawin. I mean, like for example, normal cooking, like it takes only like 2 hours or 1 hour. But smoking, it can take up to almost 8 to 12 hours one session. So I got curious and I just bought a smoker and just started. Just like streaming, I just started. No questions asked. I just bought one smoker, bought a meat, some charcoal, some wood, and that's it. And the rest, as they say, is history. So, but I'm not saying that I'm really good at smoking right now. I'm still learning. I'm still learning how to smoke. But so far, so good. You can ask Marinismo.
Bakit natikman na ni Sir Marianismo?
Secret!
Oh! Sana all. Sana makatigam din. Okay, so let's move on to our first segment, which is rewritten profile. Let's go. Okay, so introducing Vinci. So your
Correct.
name is Vince Agraan. Is that correct?
Yep. Correct,
Okay.
correct.
So walang second name. There's no second name.
It is my nickname.
Nickname.
Yeah,
Okay.
but this is the one I use ever
Okay.
since.
So yung pinaka-birth name mo, what is it?
Alvin Vincent.
Alvin Vincent. So two names pala. Okay, wow.
Yes.
Mahal ng magulang, two names.
Magulang. So yung maraming names, mas mahal na magulang yun.
Oo, yung mga ganun. And next, yung IGN mo, your in-game name is Vinci. Oh, okay. So, how did you come up with the IGN name Vinci?
Because of my friends, my nickname is Vince, right? But they sometimes they call me Vinci. I think it's their term of endearment. Yeah, you can call it. You can call it like that. Yeah, and I think they got it from the name of the member of the Parokya ni Edgar band before. So they used it on me. So that's how I came up with the IGN Vinci.
I don't know if I'm the only one, but do you think, guys, that Sir Vince looks like a lot of Vinci from Parokya ni Edgar?
I'm not sure if they know Vinci because most of them are young. So
May pagkakahawig eh.
I'm not sure if they seen Parokya ni Edgar. I'm not sure.
Yeah. So, eto, birthday. Yung year, i-reveal man natin or wag na?
Birthday, ayoko i-reveal birthday ko eh. But
yung
I can
birthday na lang.
I can reveal my age, but not my birthday.
Okay, not your birthday.
Ano na lang, month na lang, month.
Okay, month
Ay,
and date.
September.
Month and date.
September.
Okay.
Pwede month na lang, September,
Okay.
yes.
September, okay. So, September, something in September, okay. So, lumalabas na your astrological zodiac sign would be Libra or Leo?
I don't know that there's two. I really don't know that there's a astrological and Chinese.
Okay. So, hindi na natin yung Chinese kasi mare-reveal yung ano mo yun, yung year. So, yung age mo, okay lang.
Yes,
Okay. So, the age would be,
34.
okay. So, height.
5'6".
5'6", okay. So, your weight.
Pass.
Pass. Okay, pass. Sige. Okay lang yun. And then, your blood type.
Blood type, I think, if I remember correctly, I think I'm B negative.
B negative, okay.
Yes.
And syempre, the nationality would be Filipino.
Half Filipino, half joke.
Kala ko meron talaga.
Half Filipino, half animal. No, I'm just kidding.
Eto, what is your MBTI type?
That's from a test, right? I haven't
Yes.
took that test.
No worries. Pero,
Maybe I'll take it after this para I'm aware.
No, gagawin na natin siya ngayon.
Talaga?
Yes.
Is it short? Is it
Yes.
short?
Mabilis lang to. Okay, so let's select your gender. Let's see. What's your personality? Boom. So your personality type is protagonist, which is ENFJA, specifically A. So let's move on to our next segment, which is everybody's favorite.
Ano yan?
which
Ano yan?
is the minigame.
We'll be back in the conversation in just a minute. As you all know, I just made a Fourth Wall page. Fourth Wall helps creators launch their own homepage, shop, memberships, and more, all on their own beautiful, fully branded website. Because of Fourth Wall, I was able to make my own merch and make memberships. My membership starts for as low as $2 up to $10 and has 5 different tiers, which are F class, D class, C class, B class, and A class. If you haven't joined my Fourth Wall page yet, go and join now and you'll have a merch discount when you purchase my merch upon checkout. And enjoy the amazing perks I made just for you guys. Just go to pao-ova-shop.fourthwall.com. That's pao-oppa-shop.fourthwall.com.
So your minigame for today is called Word Scrambler. So, di na ako lalayo din sa topic mo. Ito yung mga recent na nilaro mo, which is God of
Oy.
War and Elden Ring.
Oh no. Wait. I need to remember their names.
So, I hope you're ready. Let's go with our first question.
Freya.
Oh my god! Just like that?
Yes.
Just like that?
Should I wait for your go signal or
Wala.
yeah, just
Hindi.
when I saw it, I
Naunahan mo na. Freya, wait lang. Freya, final answer.
final answer,
Final,
Freya.
Final answer, Freya. Let's see. Freya!
Yay!
Let's go! Ang bilis na. It's like 1 second. Okay.
Don't get your hopes up. Baka yung next question di ko na masagot.
Ayun na. Oh. Pahirap to. Pahirap.
Oh no,
Okay.
no.
Second question.
Baldur.
Baldur is your final answer.
Final answer.
Final answer. Baldur, let's see.
Let's go.
Yes! Yes! Baldur! It's Baldur. Let's go. Okay, 2 out of 2. Let's go with the next one.
Oh my god.
Hmm. Skrataw!
Naisip ko eh, wait.
Oy, halo-halo to Sir Vinci May Elden Ring and my God of War yan.
Oh, Elden Ring, I'm not good with their names eh. So I think, I'm not sure if this is Elden Ring but... Oh, fudge! How would I forget Kratos?
Kratos is your final answer?
Yes!
Let's
Yes.
see.
May ano, di ko pa nakuha kaagad.
Yes, sir! It's
Yung protagonist.
3 out of 3.
Nakakaya if di ko nakuha yung name na yun.
Okay, next one.
My favorite character, Atreus.
Atreus, final answer?
Final answer.
Final answer. Let's see. Atreus!
Yeah,
Let's
yay!
go! 4 out of 4. Okay.
Yes! Nakuha ko sana Elden Ring.
Let's go with the next one. Ooh, this is
What?
puzzle number 5. Oh my god.
I think I know the name but I cannot remember the full name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's like the name is on the tip of my tongue but I cannot
Pero sige,
remember.
anong sabi mo kanina? Radan, no?
Rather than something scored something.
Sige. Tama na yun. Radan and Scourge. Sige, I'll accept that. So, let's go with number 5. It is Starcourge Radan.
Yes! Yun! Star Scourge siya dan.
Naalala mo naman yung Scourge and Radan eh, kaya ano na yun. Matic na yun. Let's go with the next one. Woo!
This is Godric.
Godric. Godric.
May nabasa ko, parang get the F out of here. Marion, help me. Godric.
Help. Tama na siya Godric eh, kaso hindi niya lang matandaan yung sunod.
Godric Gryffindor lang naalala ko eh.
Godric. Harry Potter.
The Grafted.
The Grafted.
Yes. Correct.
Godric,
Yes.
the Grafted is your final
Yes,
answer.
final answer. Yes.
Let's see. Yes, sir!
Yes! Woo!
6 out of 6.
Yay!
Let's go with the next one. Boom! Magkakadikit na yan.
Yung call a friend ba, once lang pwede gamitin yan?
Hindi, sige. Nandiyan naman si Sir Marionis mo eh. Tutulong yan.
Marion, help me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. I can see the name but I cannot remember the exact.
Mukhang napapaisip din si Sir Marionis mo.
Oo nga eh. Tingnan natin.
Hindi ko ata alam yan.
Hindi ko ata alam yan. Hey, Marian, what's the title of Malina? Wala pa ako dun.
Wala pa na siya. Nasaan ka pa, Sir Marionis? Okay, skip na natin.
Skip.
Okay, so pag nakita mo to, malalaman mo to. Let's see. Boom!
Margit!
Margit, the Fallen Omen. Next one. Boom.
Margit.
So, I'll reveal the first letter. The first letter would be R.
Naisip ko na siya, kaya hindi ko siya maisip. Yun! Radagon, ano yun? What's his title? I forgot. Radagon of Golden Order. Final answer. I trust Marionismo.
Radagon of Golden Order. Okay.
Yep.
Let's see. Oh! Red Wolf of Radagon.
I have trust issues na with Marion.
6 hours. Trust issues.
Golden Order. Red Wolf. Nakalimutan ko yung Red Wolf.
Nadaanan nyo na ba ito parehas?
I think ito nakalaban ko na to eh. Ito yung may wolf na may sword sa bibig niya eh.
Okay, so let's move on to the next one. 6 out of 8. Let's see.
Couldn't be as bad as mine. I don't know half of them.
Next one is Lidinger.
Wow. I'm too bad at Elden Ring names. I forgot their names. Watch.
So the last two is much easier.
Yeah, I think this one. But I'm not sure if I encountered this one already.
This is not a character. This is not a character. So yun na yung hint ko. The last two is not a character.
Hindi character.
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Is this related to Elden Ring?
Yes, it is.
Marion!
and God of War.
Elden Ring and God of War.
Yeah.
This one's a trick question.
Yes, it's a trick question.
Elden Ring and God of War.
It's either Elden Ring or it's either God of War.
Huh. Napaisip ako dun
Nandoon na eh. It's already there.
May iba bang lifeline, first
Wala
letter?
Na. Nandoon na. Nandoon na yung pinaka-hint mo. Nandoon na yung pinaka-hint.
Andun na.
Hmm.
Hindi siya character. So ano siya? Hindi siya character. What? What?
Don't give up on this. Don't give up on this. I know you know this. And the last one.
Kind.
You can do it. You can do it. It's already there.
Kailangan mawalaan ko to. Hindi ko siya maisip.
Anyone who's in the chat right now, help Sir Vinci.
Help, please help me. Towards?
Towards yan, towards. Yes, it's towards. It's towards yan. Ayan sinasabi ko na, towards yan. Tignan niya natin kung sino mo una sa inyo dalawa.
Feeling ko alam na ni Marion eh.
Two joints, baby, 2 joints. Okay. Ayan, merong suggestion si Sir Morinismo.
Wait lang para nakikita ko na yung sagot eh. Wait lang
It's already there.
Elden Ring? Tama ba?
Elden Ring is your final answer?
Final answer, tama ba? Ano ba sabi ni Marion?
Sounds
Elden Ring. Elden Ring. Confirm. Sinabi ni Marion.
Let's see?
What?
Elden Ring!
What?
It's Elden Ring!
Nakakaya.
It's Elden Ring. It's a trick question.
Yes, correct.
So,
very tricky one.
7 out of 9.
Ay,
Let's
naka.
go with the last one.
Ay, naka. May hint na ako sa una eh. This is God of War.
God of... Okay, let's reveal it. It's God of War.
Let's
yan.
go!
8 out of 10. Let's see how well did you do. Ta-da! Good. Let's go.
Good. Yes!
Okay, so that was our mini game for today. Let's move on to our next segment, which is question and answer. So let's go with our first basic question, which is how do you become a gamer?
I think I became a gamer when I started to maybe influence others and just seeing beyond the game. Like for example, there was a time in my life that I didn't get to play any game because I don't have any means. Like I don't have any gaming console. But I never stopped loving the games or the gaming industry itself. So what I did is I read magazines. What's the latest games, latest trends. So whenever my friends talk about latest games, I can still suggest to them what games they can play. I can say that I didn't really took out myself from gaming. I still involved myself in some other way because back then I don't have any means. I don't have any computer and I don't have enough money to play games outside. So I found other ways just to stay involved. So I think from that point on, I considered myself as a gamer.
And the next one is, what is the first gaming platform you own?
Before I answer that, I just
Okay.
add on to my first answer because
Sige.
I think being a gamer, or I think it's not just playing the game or any other game. It goes beyond that. Your passion, the gaming, you know the industry very well. Hindi lang porket naglalaro ka ng game is gamer ka na. I think it's more than that. So to answer your question, my first gaming console is a Super Family computer, the gray one.
And ano yung first game na nalaro mo doon?
The first game na nilaro ko doon is Ghost Fighter. Because before, my father, he worked in Japan. So, right before Ghost Fighter became popular here or even released it here, nalalaro ko na siya dun sa Super Family computer ko. So, when they released it here, I know the characters already. And their powers. Yes. It's a split screen game. The name is Yu Yu Hakusho. It's a turn-based game. You can attack. It depends on your energy, the energy level. If you have low energy, you can go for a normal attack. But if you have high energy, you can go for the special, like the ray gun or the black dragon. I forgot the name. That's why when they released it sa TV, it was like, oh, I'm playing this game.
Uy, alam ko na yan. Alam ko na yan. Sino
Alam ko na yan. Yan sila. My favorite character was Vincent. It's a game.
And next one is, when did you start streaming?
It was the year was 2020, September. I was in Singapore back then because I previously worked there for 2 years. But that time, Singapore was in lockdown, so I just played at home. Because when I went to Singapore, the first thing I bought in Singapore when I had enough money was a gaming laptop, just to catch up with the years that I've missed. So, background story lang, when I purchased the laptop, I immediately went to Steam and I bought every game that I liked that I missed, like Red Dead Redemption 2, Sims, NBA 2K. So, lahat ng na-miss kong games, binili ko talaga. And sakto, it was on sale. So, yun, sobrang cheap niya. One thing, I didn't change my country sa Steam. So, it was still in peso. So, mas mura pa siya nabili. Back to your question, yeah, it was September 3, 2020. On my page, but I streamed on my personal page, I think April, May.
Of 2020.
Pero, yes, but the full experience, like with the gaming page, it was September 3, 2020.
And
Tagal na, no?
then, what is the reason why you're streaming?
The primary reason why I started streaming was to invite other people to play with me. I think I've mentioned it to Marion already. The purpose of me streaming is just to find players, because back then I was playing Call of Duty multiplayer. So instead of messaging my friends one by one, I thought of streaming my game and sharing it to my personal page. So I'm sending an open invite to everyone who's playing this game. So luckily, some of my friends were playing already that I didn't know of. So it was a good strategy. It was successful because I think I invited 5 people. Because in Call of Duty multiplayer, only 6 players were allowed. So we formed a team. We went on to play for 2 years of Call of Duty. 2 years straight Call of Duty. As in every night Call of Duty.
Call of Duty.
Multiplayer. Every night. And we were one of the top clans there in the multiplayer. So our win percentage is very high. So
And the next one would be, what are your streaming goals for this year?
my streaming goals for this year is to stream regularly again. Because of work, medyo my schedule got busier, so I lost my level up badge. If my schedule permits and if it regularizes, I want to stream maybe at least 2 times a week. Hopefully 2 times a week. That's my stream goal, just to be consistent with my streams.
So, Sir Marianis mo asked, bold or italic daw? Ay, hindi ko alam kung ano meron daw, pero
Syempre bold. I don't like italic. Because italic, I think it might fall down. But bold is sturdier, it's thicker, or stable. So I'm gonna go with bold.
so another one is fave font daw. Kakaiba mga tanong.
Open Sans.
So, that is for our question and answer. So, Sir Vinci, I will give you this time to show your
Show
hidden
what?
talent.
Hidden talent? Wala akong
This
hidden
is your
talent.
time to shine.
Hidden
So,
talent? Wala akong
if you
hidden
have
talent eh. Maybe I can turn my tongue 180 degrees.
Let's see. Let's see.
I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but I'll try.
Ayan, let's see, let's see. Turning 180 degrees. Oh! What? Di masakit?
Hindi. Bata pa ako, ginagawa ko na yun eh. So, nasanay na.
That is the hidden talent I'm looking. Something like that. Something unique. Something only you can do. So, meron
Okay.
tayong gagawing isa. Isa to sa bagong segment. Tapos mamaya meron ka pang bagong
Uy.
segment na ito try sa'yo. So,
We'll be back in the conversation in just a minute. As you all know, I also made the Buy Me a Coffee page. Buy Me a Coffee is the best way for creators and artists to accept support and memberships from their fans. Because of Buy Me a Coffee, I was able to make my memberships. My membership starts for as low as $2, up to $10, and has 5 different tiers, which are F class, D class, C class, B class, and A class. If you haven't joined my Buy Me a Coffee page, go and join now and you'll have a merch discount code when you purchase a merch on my Fourth Wall page. And you can use that upon checkout and enjoy the immersive perks I've made just for you guys. Just go to buymeacoffee.com/paopa. That's buymeacoffee.com/PAOPPA.
10 picks one word. You're going to see 10 pictures and then you're going to just give one word about them. You're going to come up with one word the moment you see that character, okay? Let's go with the first one.
Metal Gear?
One word, one word, one word.
Blind. Love. Adventure. Friends. War. Hungry. Archer.
Mm-hmm.
Ring.
Ring.
Kawaii! Marianismo.
If you don't
Nice,
know,
nice,
guys, these are the top 10 most recognizable video game characters of all time. So we're going with our second to the last segment, which is called Fast Talk. So are you
Okay.
ready, Sir Vinci?
May ano ba dyan? Bold or 8? Italic ba? Wala.
Wala.
I'm ready,
Pero
ready.
Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ilagay sa dulo?
Joke.
Timer starts now. Mario or Luigi?
Mario.
Console or desktop?
Desktop.
Controller or keyboard?
Controller.
Dream game night, yes. Anyone that gusto mo makasama pag naglalaro. Kung sino yung
Any
gusto
guest?
mo, any guest, kahit sino yung gusto mo makasama pag naglalaro ka.
Pag naglalaro ako.
Oh.
Sino ba? Si Pokemon.
first video game you owned.
First video game I owned. Yu Yu Hakusho.
Who's your favorite streamer?
Favorite streamer? Pao Opa.
Aside from me.
Aside from you. Hindi pa counted yun?
Hindi count.
Sige, si Marianismo.
What's your most played game?
Most played game. NBA 2K.
What's a game you truly suck at?
Truly suck at. Anong game ba? Elden Ring.
What's your go-to snack when playing?
I don't eat snack, but maybe Oreo.
Oreo. In 2022, I will achieve blank through live streaming.
I will achieve consistent live stream.
Consistent live stream. Okay. Ooh, so
Fun.
that is our fast talk for today. Sabi ni Sir Marian is Rosana Rose.
Rosana Roses. Sabihin ko sana Maui Taylor kaya lang naiya ako eh.
So let's go with our closing promos.
Okay guys, so thank you for watching Opas Podcast. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you so much. And please follow my Facebook page. So hopefully I can achieve 1,000. I'm asking you to follow my YouTube channel as well because I'm posting some smoking videos. And if you're interested in food, if you just love eating, follow my YouTube channel. Yeah, because I'm learning how to cook right now. And of course, I enjoy food like everyone else. So please do follow my YouTube. Thank you so much.
Please do follow Sir Vinci on Facebook
Yes.
and also subscribe to his YouTube channel, which is It's Vinci. So yeah, that was it for today, Sir Vinci. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. And yes, we'll see you guys on our next stream. Bye.
Bye.
Guys.
Thank
I hope
you.
enjoyed.